really, really quick, we want you guys to make money today. And so we wanted to let you know that it's super time sensitive. If you can just follow this video real quick, we're going to show you how to submit a claim on this website here. Facebook actually is paying out buco bucks. And there's no way to know how much money you will get in your pocket, because what happens in a class action lawsuit is that somebody or a group of people and an attorney, they sue somebody or a company, for some reason. And then the judge will say that the company has to pay out a bunch of money, and however many people claim their share, then you get a check or some money dropped in your account. So I love this free tip, or I'm sorry, this tip to get free money. Although you are trading your rights to sue the company personally. And so that is the trade-off here. And so Julie, how much money do you think that you get every single year or in your lifetime from filling out these claim forms?
If we were going to go on average for a year, I would say I get anywhere from $50 to about $400 to $500. So
Okay.
I think it's to just definitely free money for anybody that, especially if this happens to be Facebook. There are things that you do have to fill out when you fill that out. So, your username is important, those kind of things. But I mean, free money, if I know my username and I can get, $100, I'd be happy.
Yeah. So, you definitely, if you're getting the postcard, or if you're part of the class, so that means that, in this case, let me show you the screen. It's actually going to tell us who's part of the class. Then you get to do the claim form. And so a lot of times these will come to you in the mail with a postcard, and it looks like junk mail, but it's not. And it has legal jargon on it. And so a lot of people think that it's maybe a lawsuit directed towards them or a scam. But the truth is that you should be reading your mail and then deciding if it's junk mail before you throw it out, because you could be throwing out free money. I actually, one year in 2010, got a check for $2,500, over $2,000, in December from, actually, it was Bear Stearns. I mean, it's public record. So Bear Stearns, of course, was involved in the financial crisis, and they were not paying their employees how they should have been paying them. And apparently a group of employees got together, sued Bear Stearns, and the people who took that postcard and opted in, not very many of them opted in. Therefore, we got a large sum of money. The more people who opt in, the less money you'll get. You might only get $5. But you just don't know until that money shows up in your account. And so that's the way. So let's jump in real quick, and I'll show you the form. Here you go. So it has to be done today, which is why we are bringing you this special clip. And what you do is you go to this website here, which I will drop underneath this video, or you can Google it if you want to. And basically what you're looking at here is the actual website. For this particular case, this is Facebook userprivacysettlement.com /the # submit claim today. And you can see before 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And here are the general instructions: your name, address, all the information they already have on you. But basically, you're verifying it. And then you need to go ahead and say if you were a part of these groups. The longer you were a part of Facebook, the more money you will get, because it's per month, is what my understanding was from the Forbes finance article that I read. And so then you can pick one of these methods for receiving payment. So Julie, when you do these class action lawsuit claims to claim your money, how do you normally like to get your money?
I usually do PayPal. So I have my PayPal account when I click on that PayPal, it asks me, it takes me to a separate screen. It asks me to verify. And there's a couple more steps involved, but I get my money directly into the PayPal account. So that's
Awesome.
one of the ways I've been getting paid, and it's worked out good for me. How about
Okay.
you?
I like to get a check in the mail or a debit card. I just started using all these kinds of other apps. And so I'll probably give PayPal a try. Otherwise, I would just normally request a check. And, you never know when it's going to show up. Normally, it has a date. I think this one said in late September, they're expecting to send out the money. And so they have to wait to see how many people actually claim the money today by midnight, and then they will go ahead and look at that pot of, let me look at how much
Yeah,
money
my second choice would be the Zelle. And
uh-huh.
like I said, when you're filling this out, it seems like it's a long time, but it's really not. I think the only thing that I had to go back and actually look up was my URL, kind of like my username. And that was the one thing that just took me the longest. But after, answering those main questions in the beginning, it was pretty simple. So, it's free money. Yeah, do it. Do it today.
As long as you are okay trading your right to sue them personally. So it'll tell you all of that, I'm sure. Here is the Forbes article. The reason I wanted to show you guys this is because I want you guys to see, some of this information here. But I think, oh, here you go. Meta has agreed to pay $725 million. And so people who do this today. So anyway, that is what we wanted to share with you real quick. And we'll catch you on our episode that drops tomorrow on the Normalized Money Show for teenagers and adults in recovery or people who want to learn about money. Check that out tomorrow. Subscribe to our channel. Julie, do you have anything else?
Nope. I would say do it before it gets too late in the day.
Yep. Take 5
Definitely do
minutes.
it
Do
before
it
it gets.
right now. All right,
Yep.
everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.